mathaa-ini ma thaa 5:30 cia kiroko kia umuthi niguo giko giki gia kieha kihanikire. Kurerikana abitha ucio uria ukurikanite ta Edith Nyawira ni nyina wa kana kamwe karia ke grade 6 na ekurokete wira uta mutugo bengi-ini imwe tauni-ini ya Limuru na kuria acokire kuga athie nyumba kumeria dawa na thutha wa ndagika nini niguo acokire Kwiruta Muoyo ari nja wa nyumba ya murunawe kuria maikaraga.
Report that we have had an angry incident at around 11:30 a.m. whereby one of our female officer by the name Edith Nyawira fatally shot herself, and currently we are investigating reasons as to why she fatally shot herself.
Kurerikana Nyawira ehurire rithati ithatu ari hamwe na ya kanua. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa borithi cia wathani wa matuura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Gitonga, Nyawira ataneruta muoyo ni egutigite maandiko maria meguteithiriria maabitha a borithi uthuthuria-ini wao.
Left the suicide net, which is subject for investigation, for more investigation.
Kurerikana thiini wa maandiko macio monanitie gikuo giake kiumanite na ngucanio cia kimucii, kuona we na muthuriwe ni marakoretwo makigucaniria mwana wao, na oho ni akugite ati mwiri wake ucinwo kwa ihinda ria mathaa 48.
Currently we are investigating reasons as to why she fatally shot herself. She has left behind one son who is in grade 6. I have inquired from the colleagues. They say Nyawira was very jovial. She actually didn't have indicators of having any issues. Yes, she was on duty.
Gitonga ni erire andiki a mohoro ati Nyawira ndaronanitie ndariri o ciothe cia guthinio ni meciria na guthingiriria maabitha a borithi kwiyaragia hindi yothe mari na undu uramathĩnia handu-ini ha gutuaga matua ta macio.
We are doing a lot of counseling and lectures to our officers. We have always encouraged them never to keep quiet anytime they have any kind of issue. We have told them to speak loudly so that they can get assistance at the right time.
Mwiri wa mutigaire ni utwaritwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri thibitari-ini wa Limuru. Kameme TV gethie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu njitagwo Wanjiku.